I'm Rex Singa from BSIT3A. Today we're gonna do a subnet mask. First, we're gonna click Windows plus R. Then we're gonna type CMD. After typing, we're gonna type ipconfig. Then we're gonna add an IP. First, we're gonna type ping. Then we're gonna copy the IP version 4 address. Then, as you can see, there's the ping and the MS and where the packet loss and that's it. And we're gonna proceed to share document. First settings and we're gonna go in network and internet and network and sharing center. Then we're gonna change advanced sharing send. We're gonna do a public network. Then network discovery, we're gonna on. And gonna go to folder sharing, we're gonna on. Then we're gonna also the password protect sharing, we're gonna on. Up. I mean up. Then we're gonna go to documents. Then we're gonna click show more option. Then properties and sharing. Then advanced sharing. Then we're gonna share this folder. Then my name. Then permission. Then okay. Okay. Close. Then we're gonna go to network. Desktop. Sige. And this is the picture that we copy earlier. And that's it. Thank you. And I'm Rex.